If you're after slightly bolder headpiece with a stunning mother of pearl shell leaves scattered all across the beautiful headband, then something like this could be of your interest. So it is certainly a headpiece that is more fashion-led, I would say, not the traditional kind of elegant timeless headpiece, but more of a fashion statement, fashion-led, something unique, something bolder, a little bit more majestic, more differentiated from anyone else out there, and I absolutely adore it. This is much more my style. I think I would totally wear this on my wedding day. It is scattered with gorgeous golden leaves, mother of pearl, shell-like leaf detail, pearls and the floral details. And I just think it totally elevates the look, sitting almost like a crown on the head. You would need a few bobby pins to secure it into your hairdo. But other than that, you are good to go. It doesn't require any elaborate kind of pitting in or securing it into hairdo. It's pretty easy going. But I would say if you're not a skilled hairdresser, then you may need a hand of your mom or your sister or maybe even a hairdresser to help you out and secure it more tightly into the hairdo, depending on what kind of hairdo you are looking to have. Something like this will totally work, I would say, with both the hair down, but you would need to skillfully hide the bobby pins underneath your hair. And or you could also thread a gorgeous satin ribbon through the ends and kind of tie it at the back of your head to make it a little more secure on your head. I personally go with bobby pins and just hide them under the hair, and I think it would sit quite steadily on the hair throughout your ceremony. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below. So beautiful and so unique. So if you want something like this, let us know and we'll be thrilled to make it for you. We are based in Brisbane, Australia, and we ship worldwide. Take a look at our shop, My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy, and we'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions.